Orbi weld heads are robust, but yet extremely compact in design and construction. For the welding procedure, the weld head is placed on either side of the joint. Then the welding process is started by pressing the start button. The precise fine mechanics inside the weld heads assure a constant, smooth drive free of play. All Orbimatic weld heads have a unique cooling system that lets the water flow up into the weld head body through a fine cooling channel system that reduces heat and in turn prolongs the lifetime of the weld head. Above all, Orbimatic values the fact that the components are individually exchangeable. Due to this complex and quality construction, Orbimatic weld heads can be slightly more costly at first to purchase than other throwaway weld heads from cheaper, lesser quality manufacturers. The real price of a weld head can only be calculated with consideration given to the operating cost after the many years of usage. Orbimatic can proudly reference weld heads and power sources that are over 10 years old and have worked thousands of hours. To explain a typical weld seam, we demonstrate the process with a mounted enclosed weld head. Operating is made easier with the switch plate assembly that is integrated into the hand grip that now eliminates the use of extra remote control units. Furthermore, the quick change collet system that has been developed exclusively to Orbimatic range has put a stop to troublesome exchanging of collets with tools and screws. Orbimatic system is just a quick slide pin and release spring mechanism which clicks into place with ease and no tools required. First, set the electrode distance with a feeler gauge for the correct arc space. Use clean pipes that have been prepared with either milling or pipe cutting equipment to ensure no burns inside or outside of the pipe. Now the pipe can be placed into the weld head, so that the joint is exactly under the electrode. Ensure there is no space between the pipe joint, then close the weld head and begin welding. After the pipe has cooled down in an internal gas atmosphere, the weld head can be opened and the weld seam can be controlled. Due to the constant flow of gas during the welding process, the weld seam is nearly free of temper color and the inside of the pipe is a flat, smooth seam.